Today we're going to be learning about complex numbers. Complex numbers consist of one real number and one imaginary number.
So what you have to know to solve this problem, you have to know the denominator and the numerator. The numerator is on the top and the denominator is on the bottom. The conjugate is the copy of the denominator's complex number, but the imaginary part changes its sign. That's the conjugate. And you multiply the denominator's conjugate with both numerator and denominator. FOIL means first, outer, inner, and last. So first you multiply this with the first, outer, inner, and last. Is multiplying the number outside the parentheses with the number inside the parentheses. So multiply 4 with x and 1. You have to use FOIL and distributive property. On the numerator you have to use distributive property, and right here use FOIL. Okay, right here you have to add all the like terms. So these are like terms, this isn't because I have 2 on top. And then equals this.
Okay, so this is your equation, and then you need to remember that I squared equals -1. So then you plug it in, and then you combine like terms, and then you get 15 minus 20i equals over 25, and then you simplify it by, you divide by 5, and then you get 3 minus 4i over 5, and that's your answer.
Our problem today is 5 plus I over 5 minus I. Thanks for joining us, Miss Joshua. What is that, target number 3? Alright. In order to solve this problem, we must multiply by its conjugate. The conjugate is a copy of the denominator's complex number, but the imaginary part changes its sign. So as you can see here, the negative becomes a positive. Next step is FOIL.
So step 2, you're going to use FOIL. FOIL, which F stands for first, O stands for outer, I stands for inner, and L stands for last. What you do is you multiply the first 2 terms, and you multiply them together to equal that. Then you multiply the outer term to get that one. Multiply the inner one to get that one. You multiply the last one to get that one, to give you this answer. So when you got your problem, you're going to use FOIL on the numerator to find your answer of 25 plus 10i plus I squared. Because you're going to need to simplify your long answer that you got for the FOIL the first time. Don't forget that I squared equals 1. -1. So then you insert -1 and you simplify to have your numerator. Then when you have to find out the solution for your denominator, you're going to use FOIL again, and you will get this answer, and then you will insert I squared for -1, and then your denominator will be 26. Step 3. Your equation is now 24 plus 10i over 26. In order to find the solution, you're going to find the number that will most likely go into all 3 of them. So you would divide all of them by 2 to simplify. So 2 into 24 will be 12, 2 into 10 will be 5, and 2 into 26 will be 13. Your equation will be 12 plus 5i over 13, which will be your answer. Hello, class.
So when I was over there, you guys